have a Jaguar XF 3-litre diesel, the 202 kilowatt version, in for performance upgrade. Unfortunately, the one that we decided to make a video of has got an issue with the first turbo. So something is going on here, and then as soon as the second turbo goes in, everything is fine. So unfortunately, for this, it looks a bit bad, doesn't look nice, but at least we can sort of show you what we can do when the car is actually right. Now, as you've seen, we've done the before run, and the max horsepower is 174 and 485 newtons. Please note this is powered on the wheels. And so the method of tuning will be ECU Remapping. So I'll download the software from the engine control unit, and this is the software that's controlling how the engine should work. I will make a copy of it, and I'll open up the file, start finding the maps, and I'll optimize the maps and eventually take that new file and load it back onto the ECU. Most of the chips available on the market for these engines is simply ones that will connect onto the common rail pressure sensor. Stay away from that. Not only is that bad for your engine, in some cases it doesn't make a difference at all, and also in other cases you will find that the car typically goes into limp mode from time to time. Now, I'll do the optimization and we'll show you the dyno after run, so I'll be back shortly. We've done the after run. The maximum horsepower is 218 and 568 newtons on the wheels, of course. Now, that doesn't tell the whole story. If we go, once everything starts to settle now, once the second turbo goes into action, we can do a few spot checks here and see what the power was like. Let's take 2,700 RPMs. The before was 169 horsepower. The after is 197. Now if we go to torque on 2.7, we had 445 newtons, and now we have approximately 514. Let's go to 3,000 RPMs. In terms of torque, we had 400 newtons. Now we have 494, so that's almost 100 Newton meters of increase in terms of torque. Horsepower on 3,000 RPM is 169 before, and after 208. So quite a big difference there. If we go to 3,400, for example, we'll see that the torque was 362 newtons. After the modification, it's 455. Horsepower before on 3,400 was 173, and now we have 270. So as you can see, clearly a fantastic gain. The only issue that we have with this car is, of course, there's something wrong with the first turbo. Something is not working correctly. But as you can see, quite a big difference. And if you would like to upgrade the performance of your XF 3-litre diesel, this is most certainly the way to do it. See you next time.